Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how to install the Mediatek Vcom driver on your Windows computer. So first of all, go to the description of this video. There you will find the link of this driver. You have to download the driver first, then you have to extract it on your computer. As you can see, I have already downloaded and extracted the driver on my computer. Let's quickly open the folder now. In the folder you will be able to see the following files. So let's quickly begin with the tutorial. Right-click on the Start button. Click on Device Manager. Now select the computer name and go to Actions. Now click on Add Legacy Hardware. Click on Next. Now select Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Now click on Next. Again click on Next. Now click on Have Disk button. Now browse for the folder which contains the drivers. Then click on OK. Then click on Next. Now drivers are installing. And now click on the Finish button. You can see drivers are installed successfully. Thank you for watching the video. Any questions? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel.